Hey team, welcome back to my channel. Trust you're doing good wherever you're watching me from. So today I have something very special to teach you. Very important to your health. And I advise you stay till the end of this video. So you'll be doing yourself a lot good. Okay, let's go there. After you have properly washed this for 3 consecutive times with enough amount of salt and the water becomes very clear, that is free of dirt, then you transfer it into a steeping bowl and then pour hot water over it to cover it. This is just okay. You can as well steep it with cold water. Yeah. Either of them, it's okay. Cold water overnight. Hot water could be for some hours, but this is also going to stand overnight. It's about 8 p.m. By tomorrow, I'll be processing it. It will just be too soft, and that's not a problem because we'll be blending it after all. Okay, so I just cover it and keep it aside to soak. So after some hours, I came back to it to have them de-seeded and soak it back into the water. It is morning and I'm ready to blend. So I'm just going to be blending this batch by batch because the blender is quite not big, so I quickly blend and we continue from there. This is how smooth it is after blending. So I blended the remaining off the camera to save time and storage. Yeah, so this is the water that was used for soaking it that I just poured in and added more water. Yeah, okay, so you have make sure you're using the potable water. So I am ready to sieve it. So you just have to add enough water, but not too much, so that you don't waste your gas cooking. Okay, so just add a reasonable amount of water and make sure you whisk everything in. When it's evenly dissolved, you transfer it into your cheesecloth and begin to sieve it. So I am done with sieving it, and this is the chaff. So I had to mix a little water, which is this, on this after the first sieve. After this I mixed it and then we sieved again to get this. Now if you taste this, you see it's no longer sweet at all. So at this point, this is completely a waste now. And this one can also be the second mixing to get everything out, can also be ignored because this is not very much sweet anymore. And look at the consistency, it's loose compared to this. Look at this, you see how thick it is. You can see the thickness, you see, yeah, the consistency is thick and drawing. So yeah, I'm done. I can choose to add this or not, but just to do a double sieving, I already washed the pot and rinsed off the cheesecloth. So let me just do a final sieving so that if there is anything like chaff that got in through removal of this a sieved chaff and pouring in another one, so it will completely go off now. Well, here we go. Yeah. Let's see if we're gonna get any chaff at the end of the day. You could see what I was talking about. This has just probably been sieved. This is what we got from there. Yeah, so at the end of the day, we're going to be having a very smooth end product. So at this point, I will put this on the flame to get to a boil and start evaporating so we can get our syrup, okay? So it's doing pretty good, and it has to keep boiling like this, keep evaporating until this is thick enough for a syrup, okay? See the progress? Still evaporating, drying off, and getting thicker. So you see how thick it is. At this point I will turn off the gas, and actually sorry, I left it to cook for a longer time. So I will leave it to cool down. You can see the consistency. It was almost getting burnt. It was getting burnt because I left it and I was busy doing something else. So I would leave it to get very cold before we can transfer it into a bottle. So it's completely cold now, and it's time to send it into a bottle. Here you go. And yeah, it is too thick and was getting burnt, which is not supposed to be so. It was because I left it and was busy with something else. Okay, so you always have to check on it to make sure it doesn't get burnt and then too thick. So it was over drying, and that's why it's not even that much in quantity. I said this is what I got. So here I have my custard. Yeah, and this is just how you use this. This is enough for this. All right. So this can be used for anything that you use your sugar. refined sugar for your tea, coffee, pap, custard, and all what have you, and really loads with health benefits, so you know that you are on the safe side, sweetening your food with a fruit sweetener rather than a refined sugar. Okay, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share this video, drop me a comment, and stay safe until I see you in my next one. Bye bye.